I don't think these comrades will forgive Mkhwanazi for what he did. I do not think they'll forgive him. Yes, Uba up. However you look at it, there's no way out. Hayi, abana plan. Uyabona le madocket angiyayibona. Yabona le madocket ndobo. Abana plan. Babambekile manje. And also performing or acting like we are following due process. We know the Constitution states. Hey, akuna abana plan. Ngisho nale due process yakhona. Ayisa process. Yabona le due process ayisamsebenzeli na cupcake. I am shocked to hear. I'm appalled. I am not involved. Yena uyangena chiki akasekho involved. For the moment they realize ukuthi yay, this might come back wena izokuluma lento le avelathi I am no longer involved in 1 2 3 wazi ke ukuthi kunenkinga. Once uzwa lamagama lokuthi I am no longer involved in 1 2 3, they advised me, it was brought, hey, mara manje abana plan. Akuna way out. Akuna. Once you see ulona wethu umbalo are trying to save this organization, you must know ukuthi yeah, ushubile. Shubi.